Hello, welcome to Onsite. So today we'll be seeing how you can do material transfer from one site to another, or from site to warehouse, or from warehouse to site back. So let's first go to the Onsite application. Let's open Onsite application. So this is the home page where all the projects are displayed. So let me open one of my project, that is Brigade Building Complex. Here you will click on the plus button in the transaction tab. So here you get all the options under expenses, like material purchase, material return, material transfer. So I am doing a material transfer from this site to one of my current running sites. So I will click on material transfer. So I will select the two projects. So let me say Tapered Mansion is a project to which I want to supply some material from this project. Then click on add material. So all the material with you have in the inventory of this project will be displayed. So let me take bricks next. So I will add a quantity, like I'm transferring 50 bricks. Automatic it will take the purchase rate. You want to make any changes, you can do that. You want to add any additional charges, like there is a transportation charges for the transfer, I can add that. You can add the bill number, notes, reference number, vehicle number. You have all of these options. You can also attach the image from here, and you can just save it. So this is how you transfer material. Now let's go to the project in which this material has been delivered. So let's go to the Tapered Mansion. Go to the material section of this project. Here you can click on the received section. Here you get an option of pending to receive. If you click here, it will show all the transferred items. So we have to receive in this project. So from Brigade Building we have got one transfer of material. We'll just select that. We can attach images, add notes, any defected quantity, like there was 10 defected bricks. So I will add that and just save it. So it will be updated in your inventory. So this is how you transfer material from one site to another. Same manner you can transfer material from site to warehouse also. So you click on material transfer. So in the two you select warehouse. You add the material from your inventory, like let's transfer some cement. Next you add the quantity. The rate is automatically fetched from the bill. Any changes you can make that, and you just save it. So we have transferred the material to warehouse. So let's go to the warehouse section. Here you get an option same like we get inside the project, pending to receive. You click there, all the transfer which are to be received in this project will be reflected here. So we have transfer from Tapered. Let's click on that, and you can add all of these notes, images of the received material, and just save it. So it will be updated in your stock. So this is how you can transfer material from one site to another. Thank you.